Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cassie, and for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who do, welcome back to my channel. Somehow I'm always in front of this cupboard when I'm making an intro. Maybe it should be my thing. My timing is off again. Once again. Are we surprised? No. But this time it's not my fault. Like, these people know I take the longest to finish, and then they wake me up last and then complain when I'm late. Anyway, it's not their fault. I don't know whose fault it is, but I'm not taking the blame for that. Your girl's looking cute though. I mean, it's summertime, you know, the sun is out. Your girl is in a dress. I will show y'all eventually. She's wearing sandals. Who you know? I'll wait. Ekka's glad we can go.
Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
Okay, we're gonna go now. I'm gonna go now because my mom's not having it with me today. She's just not. She's tired of me always being late. And I mean, I get it, but like, just understand, like, perfection. My skin is acting up as well, but it's only because I'm on my period. So we'll let her be. But then she'll be back on her things after, you know, don't get her wrong. Anyway, I'm not getting to the point. But yeah, at the moment, we're actually supposed to leave now. We're on our way to the flea market. And yeah, let's just see what today is gonna be about. If you're ready for the video, give it a like. Go the comment section up with I'm ready. Let's go, baby! Yep. Breakfast is ready to go. I vlog. Oh no. I'm actually gonna put that in.
This angle is not doing it.
It's not it, right? But the lighting though.
Hey vlog.
She's serving. What's this on my nose? Hey.
Hi vlog, you vlog. Okay, no, that is so cringy. Do not do that. You most likely out there.
Yup.
If you heard that, that wasn't me.
Who was it?
CLB.
Stupid.
We're not gonna talk about it. We're actually not.
We're
We're not gonna talk about it.
Hey guys.
I mean, I feel like I'm gonna be bashed, but then my opinion is valid. You know, it's cool.
Look at this.
It's cool. It's a cool album.
Wait till you see the
Tiny bit overhyped. Yes.
Tiny bit?
Just a little bit overhyped. But yeah, like I said, I'm into R&B and things like soul music, so it's not really my vibe. But it's a cool album. Don't get me wrong, it's cool. It's just not all that they were saying it was gonna give. It wasn't giving what they said it was gonna give.
Like.
Bro, look at me. Like, I'm so
Short. Yes.
Guys, let us know down in the comments who looks older. Like, I feel like
my baby face. No, I don't. It's just this. I'm just this. I mean,
what does that mean?
okay. No, she looks older now, but she's just short. That's it.
True that. Okay, now I actually feel like I look older. Like this, I look older.
And you can tell we've got different style. You're wearing a dress right now.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah. Don't act like you don't wear dresses though.
Being forced. Yes.
Guys, let us know what other TikTok challenges you want to see coming from us, because in future we'd like to do more of that. Right?
Right.
She doesn't have an option. She just... You're just part of it.
This angle is not doing it for me. Like, you can just see my double chin.
We all have.
Okay, no.
Watch people screenshot that and make a sticker out of us. I'm trying to see my mom's reaction.
Hello? Oh, I'm not getting on the computer.
Imagine, bruh. Trying to see what my mom's about. Guys, one of these days I'm gonna be vlogging from the car.
Oh, why that looks so dark? And you'll be seeing a lot more of me. No, less and less, because I won't be driving with you.
No one asked you to drive with me.
Ow!
Guys, am I like the only person that can't lay back in a car? See, the funny thing is that my mom was rushing me and shouting, saying, we must go, but she's not even done. Make it make sense. What are you doing? Like, this is not it. Hey, I just dropped something. Oh well. Do I look like I belong in a car?
No, you don't. You're driving in the car. You're so short.
This suits me. Yep. Like, but I need to move closer. Like, my legs aren't even. Here she is. Your Uber has arrived. Is it illegal to like drive underage? It is.
Do you think I will look at?
Sorry.
Do you think I can drive now and not? The police won't stop me. Yeah,
No, you're small.
Kom, kies het skylight. I told you she's gonna shout at you, but I told you.
What? I'm your Uber.
Yeah, you see? You forget. You guys is literally got an hour.
My mom's still not having it with me. It's fine. Shayna says I look like I'm drowning in the car. I got it.
Kijk, you see, but I'm not just...
Ja, ik zit recht, nee.
Je zit recht op.
Langs die Asian.
Yes.
Yes. It's op je wiel. Op je wiel, whatever it is.
Yes, it's right. It actually just hit me that I haven't been here since COVID. But of course. Are you ready to get going? I feel so sun-kissed. These are fresh. Some is
Yeah, that's really cool.
What do we think?
I like it.
Really? It feels a bit big for my eyes. Let me see.
A lot of people just wait because it looks small.
Yeah, that's true.
This
I want to get a tattoo. Okay, the lighting is just gonna have to work. Like, it's really hot and I don't know if it's working right now, but it doesn't look that bad. Yes.
Right. I can't even see myself.
Me either. Like, it's really bright. Or the lighting is just that bad. I guess we'll never know. But regardless, let me just give y'all a quick haul with what I bought. Yeah, quick haul. So, I got hair ties. We call them rekkies. Pom-poms. That's what we call them. Call them pom-poms. And then I got scrunchies because of course, I mean, this one was really cool. And then I got me like a silkish iridescent. Is it iridescent? Iridescent.
I never heard that word in my life.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Really iridescent. I don't know if y'all can, if it's picking up on camera, but like, it's pearlescent. That's the word, the color, the word I'm looking for. And then I got like a plain
Confirmation vibe thing.
silk scrunchie, because silk scrunchies are the bomb.com and that's on perm.
And that's on period.
Okay, that's what I got from the one store.
Store or stall?
Store.
Really, nigga?
No, you're saying it like store.
I said store.
You said store.
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 Store. These, I've been loving them ever since I know. So we're gonna do a quick taste test. Okay, even though I know what that tastes like. And then we got chili mango. I've never tried this in my life, but there's a first time for everything. Yo, do you mind? Sleep. Anyway. And then I got blueberry cubes. Never heard of this in my life. Do not know what it tastes like, but it looks cool. Like, well, why isn't it picking up on camera so cool? Let me do a close-up like. Anyway, maybe I just need to clean the lens. Hold up. Sorry, scrunchy. That was our problem the whole time. The lens was dirty.
There's a thing called tissue, brah.
I so much just used the scrunchie because it was here. You know, my sleeve is being rude, but I'm just gonna let it be because it still looks cute. Anyway, Trader Joe's hazelnut cookies. And here's Grandino white chocolate and cranberry. And then I got a triple choc soft bake. Did I say triple chocked? Triple choc. So we're gonna do a quick taste test with all of those. But I first want to try these. Let's first see if this is how I remember. I can't remember when else I had these. I'm sorry, I'm not eating that. You're not gonna eat it if you don't want to. Basim. They always have. I'm gonna ask my dad to tell me what these are called because I don't remember what they're called. She just don't care, but it's fine. This is what it looks like. It's like sour, but then salty. This is really good.
Yo. She's sitting in front like she can drive.
The office. What I do?
What you say? I'm gonna try the mango chili. This thing better not catch me lacking. If it's really, it doesn't look appetizing.
No wonder it doesn't sound right. It's chili mango, not mango chili.
Yo, chili mango, my bad.
It does not. That looks like a snake.
Am I the only person that smells food before I eat it? Just to make sure. Spice.
And that's pizza.
It's chili, but like it. I don't get the mango. Like I just get. So we just got back from McDonald's. Like, I literally filmed a whole taste test with everything that I got today, and now I'm kind of gonna have to redo it because I lost the footage because my phone overheated. But yeah, so we just got back from McDonald's. I am thirsty, so we're not gonna come for me. I can have both. And then I just ordered like a little burger and some fries because I didn't want to have McDonald's. Like, I honestly didn't want to get McDonald's, but then it was just up the road and I caved. So that's where we're at right now. I mean, so guys, we just got back home. The device had overheated. I was mad, but you know, these things happen. Everything happens for a reason. So it's just gonna be me. It was my sister and I, but like, she full now from the McDonald's. I gave my McDonald's to my mom because I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't hungry. Like, I literally just wanted something to drink. I just bought food just cause. So she had that, and I'm still not hungry, but then, you know, the lighting school, have to get it done eventually. Like, I'm not even. My eyes actually look so cool. Hey.
Okay.
After this, I'm gonna go wash my hair because we're not gonna talk about it. I had the same hairstyle for like the whole week. Don't get me wrong, like, I rebraided my hair every morning, but like, it was still the same hairstyle. Not gonna talk about it. School every day, bruh. People are just gonna have to get used. Like, I told one of my friends that like, I'm gonna start doing the same hairstyle. Like, if I'm gonna have a ponytail, I'm gonna have a ponytail for the whole week. If I'm gonna have a bun, you're gonna see me in a bun for the whole week. I'm just not gonna change it up like that like I used to. But like, don't nobody got time for that no more, you know.
Child. Anyway, so
We got like blueberry cubes, and like, let me tell you, these things look so dodgy in the packet. It actually tastes so bomb. Like, I would describe it like, I don't know, my sister said earlier on it tastes like raisins, but I really don't think so. It tastes like a blueberry. She out here hating on my bloobs, but yeah, 10 out of 10. I'll buy this again. That rhymes. I got bars.
Okay.
It tastes like a blueberry in raisin form. So yeah, if you like raisins, then you'll probably like this. If not, I don't think you'll like it.
Oh, hell no!
Anyway, I got some cool cookies, and yeah, we did a taste test earlier on, like I said, and I enjoyed all of them. So let me just refresh my palate. So first things first, we have Trader Joe's hazelnut cookies. Literally, not me. You literally fooled me.
I also didn't know, bruh.
I swear, this child, nah, this child. Yo, if it's cool.
I honestly never knew, bruh.
Don't care. I thought there was more.
I also thought so.
Okay. This is gonna be my midnight snack tonight. I'm not gonna have the whole thing because I'm just here to taste test. I'm not here to eat it. I actually feel sorry for those people who are like allergic to peanuts or nuts in general. This is top notch. I give this a 10 out of 10, as I should, because this is giving what it's supposed to give. We have the Grandino white chocolate and cranberry. It smells like the mixed berry good morning biscuits, and like there's white chocolate in there if you can see it or not. This is definitely more of like a very sweet biscuit cookie. That's What's the difference between a biscuit and a cookie? That I would rate, I'll give it a 10. It's too sweet for my liking. I'll give it an 8. It's good. We have soft baked triple chocolate. Like, am I the only one that smells food before I eat it? Like, if you're not pleasing my nose, like, what's the chance you're gonna please my mouth like that?
What did he say?
Anyway, these ones are my favorite. Like, literally. I think this one has like all the chocolates in, like the white chocolate, dark chocolate, and milk chocolate. These ones, well, bruh. First things first. The reason why I give this a 15 out of 10. Mad sweet, but like nice sweet, you know.
What?
I don't know if you know, but you know.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Secondly, this thing is so soft and buttery and it just melts in your mouth, like literally. Who gonna tell me what? What? Like, I can't deal. How's it so good? That's all I bought today. Yeah, now I'm about to go wash my hair. So I'm gonna marinate it in a packet for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off and then blow my hair out. So this is what my hair looks like once it's been blown out. It's like literally 7:05, you know. Okay, yeah, so now I'm gonna straighten it. I would film that, but then let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see me film a video of like my hair routine and how I wash and blow it and what and the products I use, like going in detail with all of that. I've been staring at myself in the mirror for the past 15 minutes. Am I conceited? Yes. Did it take me a long way to get here? Yes. Am I gonna do anything about it? No, sorry. So it's 7:30 now and I just finished with my hair. Come in.
This is having a identity crisis.
Okay, Pearl. Who is she? Come here. Pearl. Okay, who is she?
Your beach holiday vibe.
Pearl.
2018 vibe. From
My tongue to use.
She said identity. I didn't want to go with it.
Anyway, but yeah, but I'm gonna eat after this. I look tired and that's because I really am. Like, cramps are getting through to me, bloatedness is getting through to me, you know. It's made myself look this gorgeous to go and lay in bed. Cool. I'm gonna put my hair in a silk bonnet and I'm just gonna be chilling. So yeah guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow morning, okay? Okay. Good morning guys. So it's Sunday, you know, it's a good day. I'm about to get ready. Actually, basically, y'all are gonna get ready with me, you know. So this is gonna be a montage of you getting ready with me because I feel like I'm gonna be talking a lot. And if you're wondering what this is, I try to, what do you call this? Let me see. I used a razor to like shave the peach hairs off my face and I cut myself. So we're doing pretty good. Anyway, yeah, let me finish up because otherwise I'm gonna be late once again and we cannot have that. I'm attending confirmation classes at church, so like I have to be at church an hour before church actually starts. So yeah, let's get ready before I get late. guess who's late again? Me. Okay, I like actually need to dash now. Actually about to go have lunch with a friend, and yeah, I would give y'all a OOTD, but I'll probably do it when I get there. Okay, so I just arrived, and by the way I'm vlogging today. So we just got a McDonald's, and now we're just gonna chill and visit and all that jazz. So I'll see you guys when I get home later. Bye. Okay guys, so that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm ending the video off outside. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share to friends and family. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials because I be speaking my mind there all the time. Like, there's no need. Okay, until then, my lovies, I shall see you in my next video, shall we? Bye.